So steak and egg day 2 tayo ngayon. So I started my beef and egg diet yesterday kasi I'm inspired by Steak and Butter Gal online. Nakita ko yung kanyang journey from vegan to carnivore. I still have some symptoms that I wanna get rid of, kaya gusto kong itry yung pure carnivore if I can. It's really hard. I started yesterday. Nag all beef ako na parang ganito rin. Tapos I ate butter kasi butter nga yung pang supply niya for her energy, and I tried. So ito, egg tsaka tayo. 2 egg. Dinala ko na yung platito ko dahil hindi ko na, late na ako kanina. So when I just put this in the microwave for 50 seconds. And then ito, in-air fry ko ito. Not too cooked kasi nga yung ating iniiwasan na glycation ng anything na food na niluluto natin. So, beef and egg ako today. So, beef ito na, yung thinly sliced from Costco. And then 2 eggs na binili ko sa farm when we went to the cottage last weekend. So iyan, umpisahan natin. Let's see how I feel, and if I feel better with the carnivore, then I will continue. Hopefully magawa ko ito ng kahit 10 days. So watch out for the development kung kaya natin, kasi I know it's healthier para sa akin. I've learned a lot already. Naka-low carb ako ng almost 3 years na. So I know yung benefit para sa akin. I have a lot of benefits from LCIF, low carb intermittent fasting, and now I'm moving up to a carnivore, semi-carnivore diet if I can. Okay, thank you so much, and hope I'm inspiring you to stay healthy and wealthy, kasi yung health ngayon, I'm a nurse, pero nakikita nyo na nagbago ako ng pananaw dito sa ating lifestyle dahil nga gusto kong totally heal, and it is promising with this lifestyle, yung carnivore lifestyle and LCIF lifestyle. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Maritas is signing out.